Believe that there's an unlimited abundance in the world, because there is. New notes and coins are being printed and made all the time. When you buy something, money doesn't even have to exchange hands. It can just be numbers on a screen. Believe that there is an abundance. It's really important. You need to believe in abundance and not a scarcity. I mean, just have a look at all the drops of water in the ocean, all the sands, grains of sands on the beach, all the leaves on the trees, but not in autumn. Just have a look at all of that, and the blades of grass, oh my goodness, blades of grass, and a paddock. There is so much abundance in the world. There is so much. So believe. Money, there's so much abundance, and they're making new money all the time. There is more money. I mean, I heard a stat where there is enough money in the world that every single person in the world could be a millionaire. There is that much money in the world. So step up and take some of it as yours. Believe that there's an abundance, and own it, and have some and take some, because there is an abundance.